Welcome to our video showing the removal of a component using the R7220A BGA repair station. So at the moment we have the machine set up roughly. There's a board in position. It's a gull wing device. So we've used the laser. We're now going to actually start to fine tune and position it correctly. So if we look in here at the moment, you can see we've got the laser. I'll turn the lights off so we can see it better, pointing at the component. We've also got the thermocouple in position so we get some real-time feedback on the temperatures as they're rising. So what we want to do now is finally position the component. So I'm just going to swing the camera system out, and if we look up at the monitor we can see we are slightly offset. So by using these micrometers here I can actually start to fine-tune, and if we go back to the monitor we will see me positioning the nozzle, both the pickup nozzle and the air nozzle, directly over the component. It's not super critical for removal, but it's nice to have it centered. So once we're happy with that, we will now go down into the operation in the software. We already have our lead-free profile selected. So at this stage, we will just start the operation. So the unit will travel down and it will actually identify the height of the component. So once it's done that, it will turn the heat on, and on the screen here we will slowly be able to see the profile start to develop. Once it runs through its profile at the appropriate point, it will remove the component. So it is now just a case of waiting for the system to complete. It's now turned on the vacuum, lifted the component away, and the removal is now complete. So it will continue to run the fans and cool the board down, and we can remove the component by turning off the vacuum. So while it's cooling down, you can see the component is held on the vacuum, and we can also see the pads are clear, making it easy for just to tidy up, remove excess solder and prep for component replacement.